We're so thankful for hitting 200 subscribers.
Yeah, ecstatic.
So we're going to do a giveaway.
We are. We're going to do a Harvest Host Classic. So don't get all excited. It's not the Big Daddy that's got the golf courses and Boondockers Welcome added in it. It's just the Harvest Host.
But it is worth $99.
It is. And it is in no way, shape, form, or fashion sponsored by Harvest Host. This is us actually going out, buying the package, and we will send the activation code to whoever wins it. So we're using an online system that basically you put your name and your email address in the system, and then it will automatically generate the winner of it. I think we've got it set to run for 2 weeks. It'll give you multiple ways to enter. You can register and that be it and just have one entry, or you can go and do other tasks and earn.
Like follow us on social media.
Yeah, follow us on social media, and that'll give you 3 to 5 additional entries.
You can share it, get an entry. You know,
you can share it on Facebook. The whole
watch one of our
whole
videos.
9 yards.
Anyway, it's just our way of saying thank you and to get our channel out there. And we hope that you will enter and share and
definitely subscribe, because we've got some really big news coming up in the next couple weeks.
Yeah. And good luck.
Good luck. Lots of luck.